Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in the Waterfox browser. Launch your browser. In the top right corner, click Menu and select Settings. Navigate to the Network Settings section and click Settings next to configure how Waterfox connects to the Internet. By default, the proxy specified in the system settings is used. If no proxy has been set, then none is used. To set up a proxy, choose Manual Proxy Configuration and enter the IP address and port of the proxy for the appropriate protocol. If you need to bypass the proxy for certain resources, list them in the No Proxy For field, separated by commas. Click OK when the details are entered. For a private proxy, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password when accessing the required resource. Enter this information to complete the proxy setup. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend the reliable and trusted provider ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.